Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. Today we'll be discussing about sum rule and the difference rule. Okay. Sum rule is differentiation of u plus v, which is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, which means you have to differentiate each and every term. First, we'll differentiate u. Differentiation of u with respect to x is du by dx plus differentiation of v with respect to x is dv by dx. Okay, basically we have to differentiate each and every term for the sum rule. Same goes for the subtraction rule or difference rule. Okay, if you're going to differentiate u minus v with respect to x, then what will be the rule? Du by dx minus dv by dx. Okay, students. All right, you're going to differentiate each and every term. That's it. Very simple. Okay, I'll solve a simple problem using the sum rule. Okay, suppose if you have y is equal to 8x square plus 6x plus 5. All right, so here you have plus 8x square plus 6x plus 5. We have to differentiate each and every term. Okay, I already discussed in the previous video, differentiation is nothing but cutting into pieces. Okay, we have to differentiate here each and every term. Got my point? Okay, so when you differentiate, what we will get, we will see. Differentiate with respect to x. What is differentiation of y with respect to x? dy by dx, which is equal to, we have to differentiate 8x square. Apply the first basic rule. 8 is a constant, keep it as it is. 8 times, okay, what is the power rule? Tell me, anyone can tell me? Exactly, differentiation of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. Okay, so I'll write it here. Differentiation of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1. All right, this is the rule. So 8 times, what is n actually? 2 x to the power, okay, x to the power n minus 1. What is n? 2 minus 1 plus, now we have to differentiate 6x. If you have 6x, means directly you can write the coefficient of x is 6. Okay, or else we'll apply the formula. What is the formula? 6 times x to the power, what is n actually here? N here is 1 minus 1, because as per the formula it is n minus 1. So 1 minus 1. Okay, plus, okay, I have differentiated 6x now. 6 is a constant, keep it as it is. Apply the rule, x to the power n minus 1. What is power of x here? 1. Okay, so 6 into 1. Here basically you can write as 6 into 1x. 1x is nothing but x only, no? Understood, students? X to the power n is 1, 1 minus 1. Okay, plus, what is differentiation of 5? 0. Differentiation of any constant term will become 0. If for more clarity, I'll write it here as into 1 times 1. Okay, it's multiplied by 1. Why I have been multiplied? 6 is a constant, I'll keep it as it is. Here x to the power 1. So n is 1. 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. Understood? Which is equal to 8 2s are 16. Already you have a x to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 6 times 1. 6 multiplied by 1. What is 6 multiplied by 1? You will get 6. X to the power 1 minus 1 will become 0, plus 0 we can ignore because differentiation of constant will become 0. So what is the answer we are getting? 16 x to the power 1 is x plus, what is x to the power 0? any value raised to the power 0 will become 1. 8 to the power 0, 1. 6 to the power 0 will be 1. So I can write 6 times x to the power 0. 0 is 1. Okay, we can eliminate, ignore 0. So what is the final value? 16x plus 6 ones are 6. This is your dy by dx. You can have a look once again how I have solved the problem. Okay, and after this we will do a problem from your textbook. Okay, students. Okay, you can copy it. You can go through once. Once you go through, I think it will be very clear. You have to differentiate each and every term. Okay, once you differentiate, the final answer is dy by dx is equal to 16x plus 6.